Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna be changing my cabin air filter on my 2016 328i. I don't wanna go to this dealership. I'm gonna bring you guys throughout the process. It's my first time, so I'm gonna try to explain the steps to the best of my ability. This is my car, 328i, and yeah, let's get straight into it. So I ended up going with this MANN filter. I got it off of Amazon for about $28 and some change, instead of going with the other genuine BMW filter and paying the $20 markup. So it's the same filter that BMW uses, it's just not branded with the BMW logo. So the tools that I'm going to be using is this 10mm socket. I'm going to attach it to my little wrench, and then this T20. There we go. Okay, so next we're gonna have to remove these T20 screws right here. See if I can get a good angle on this. You have one right there, and then you have another one right over here. So let me go ahead and remove those so we can get the old filter out. Pull down on it. Feeling a little hot. So this is my old filter. It doesn't look too bad, but it's pretty filthy. Okay, so you're gonna see where it says airflow, and it's gonna have two arrows pointing down. So the way you position this filter is you kind of have to curve it up a little bit, and the arrows have to be facing towards the front of the engine. Okay, so we got it all installed. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. Put the AC on full blast. Let the air circulate, and yeah, that's pretty much it.